Welcome to a quick introduction of the Southwire 10010S Analog Multimeter, part of Southwire's broad line of tools and equipment. The 10010S Analog Multimeter is ideal for basic circuit checks. It measures AC voltage for checking appliances and household branch circuits, such as outlets and lighting receptacles, DC voltage for checking automotive and electronic circuits, and resistance for checking fuses, electrical connections, switches, and other devices. Special ranges are provided for testing 9-volt, AAA, AA, C, and D-type batteries. The 10010S is simple to use and comes complete with instructions, test leads, and battery. For more information on the complete line of Southwire tools and testers, visit our website at southwiretools.com. Southwire Tools, built for durability, built for reliability, built for work.